Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, meet the 2025 Acura TLX, a luxurious yet performance-oriented sedan that blends cutting-edge technology with sleek design. But does it have what it takes to compete in the crowded mid-size luxury sedan market? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the 2025 TLX carries forward Acura's bold, angular styling with a strong, sporty presence. The signature Diamond Pentagon grille, flanked by dual-eye LED headlights, gives it an unmistakable face on the road. The low, wide stance and sculpted lines emphasize its performance capabilities, making it clear that this is no ordinary sedan. Inside, the TLX doesn't disappoint. The cabin is a mix of high-quality materials, with leather seating, soft-touch surfaces, and metallic accents. The driver's seat is surrounded by a well-organized dashboard with dual touchscreen displays, one for infotainment and another for climate controls. The layout is intuitive, and the system works seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you're always connected. Now, let's talk performance. The TLX offers two engine choices. The base model is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers a lively 272 horsepower. For those seeking more thrills, the Type S model steps things up with a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine pushing 355 horsepower, paired with Acura's SH-AWD system for superior handling. With its all-wheel drive system and adaptive dampers, the TLX delivers an engaging driving experience. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling sharp corners, this sedan feels balanced and confident. The available Sport Plus mode on the Type S really sharpens the throttle response and suspension, bringing a new level of excitement. On the tech front, Acura's suite of safety features, known as Acura Watch, comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. Plus, you can opt for the advanced audio system, which gives you a concert-like experience every time you drive. With its perfect blend of style, performance, and tech, the 2025 Acura TLX is a solid choice for those who want a luxury sedan that's as thrilling to drive as it is comfortable to ride in. Whether you're after sophistication or sportiness, the TLX delivers it all. So, what do you think? Could this be your next car? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.